your health. I come real stealth, dropping bombs on your moms. Fuck call alarms. Do a foul crime, I'm that nigga with your Alpine soda for a six. So always let tricks know and friends know we got that endo. No, I'm not a sucker, sitting in a house of pain. And no, I'm not the butler, I'll cut ya, head cut ya. I say you can't touch this and I wouldn't touch ya, punk motherfucker. And I'll let you know, boy, oh boy, I'll make tough. But don't call me no boy, this ain't no fucking motion picture. I got your picture, my nigga get with ya. And then ya, I'm taking that cake to the neck. So you better run that shit. Tickety check yourself before you wreck yourself. Tickety check yourself before you wreck yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. The shotgun bullets are bad. Tricks wanna step the cube and then they get played. Cause they bitch made pulling out a switchblade. That's kinda trifle, cause that's a knifo. AK-47, assault rifle. Hold the 50, I'm nifty, pow. Got a new style.
Watch out now.
I hate motherfuckers claiming that they folding bank, but steady talking shit in the holding tank. First you wanna step to me, now your ass screaming for the deputy. They singing a Charlie Baker Denver Road. Now they running up in your slow. You're gone, used to be the dumb one. Now your name is just Twan. Switch it, snap it, rolling your eyes and neck. You better run a shit.
So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on and check yourself before you riggedy wreck yourself. So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Big dicks in your ass is bad for your head.